Good morning. Today we bring you, this is the HYCHIKA 16.8 cordless drill driver. This drill is compact, powerful, and brushless for longer life and better performance. Let's take a look inside the box and see what you get. Inside the box, you will find the drill itself, a charger that goes into an electrical outlet. You will also get various drill bits of assorted sizes. Actually, you get 2 packs of those. And also comes with various tips that you can use on the drill. And another pack that also has tips that you can use in the drill itself. And it comes with all different Phillips head, square screwdrivers, star drives, and a whole assortment. So we're going to plug it in and let's charge it and see what it can do. With 410 inch-pounds of torque, 23-1 clutch setting, and 2 variable speeds, it handles everything from furniture assembly to light-duty construction. A built-in LED lighting keeps your workspace visible even in tight or dark areas. Tool-free bit changes with the 3/8 inch keyless chuck make switching fast and easy. Powered by a long-lasting lithium battery, it's perfect for both women and men who want reliable performance in a compact size. Powerful, portable, and gets the job done. HYCHIKA drill set. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next video. Goodbye now.